Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. Today, the market was down a little bit, 0.2%, but we did pretty well today, actually. And one of the things that's happening with our portfolios, we've been able to kind of round them out. They've become much more robust. We had to walk that tightrope from, April through the end of the summer with just really technology and advanced healthcare. And we've been slowly been able to kind of broaden out, and it's been an interesting process. But right now, we kind of have something that's working all the time. So even though the market was down, innovative technology was up 2.7% today. A couple of clean energies were up 1.7%, online retail 1.5, et cetera. So we've got something that seems to be working each day. And so that rotation, so even though the market was down today, I think we did fairly well. But I did want to talk a little bit. This is the day before Thanksgiving. And we've been really, really fortunate. I've met with almost all of you, this year, talking about different things within your lives. And people are doing quite well within our clientele. And I was looking at the accounts today, and we've made like over $25 million of gains, so far this year, of which about $10 million over what the market would have made. This is one of the most spectacular years that I've ever experienced as far as that goes. Yet at the same time, I'm reading about people that are, standing in line for food and different things that are happening, listening to, the pieces about what's going on with the pandemic, and how much spike they're having and the hospitals filling up. So I do feel like, this is a year to give, really. And I'm very proud of the clients as a whole. You guys all give. It's fantastic. But this might be a year to give more. For me personally, I see food as a real basic concept that needs to be dealt with. So I like the Second Harvest Food Bank. We're going to donate more than normal to that. And so, just not everybody's in the same boat. Not everybody's got the same fortune that we do for this year. So, really thankful for all of you as clients, and look forward to talking to you again on Friday. Thank you.